In a previous video, we demonstrated how to cut a ventilation opening using the 798 method. Now we will demonstrate one method of how to extend this cut if the original opening is not large enough. The extension cuts, seen in red, are made in line with the 3-foot cuts of the original vent opening. Make these cuts working from one end of the ventilation hole to the other, while making sure to stop the blade after each cut and roll the saw on the blade from one cut to the next. Since the structural members of the roof are now visible from your original vent opening, avoiding them will make your cuts quicker and easier. Stay a step ahead and plan each cut. Considering roof features such as scuttles and skylights ahead of time will ensure you do not trip with a running saw. After making these 3 cuts, turn the saw 90 degrees and make the final cut, seen in blue, from one end to the other to release the 2 3-foot by 3-foot sections of roofing material. This process can be repeated as many times as necessary in either direction to create the desired size ventilation opening. It is better to extend the original vent opening as opposed to creating a second. Additional members reporting to the roof should, if possible, bring additional saws. A piece of cable wire wrapped around the blade or broken saw blade teeth can slow or stop the ventilation operation. Having a second saw already on the roof will allow for a seamless operation in the event of a problem with the first saw. If at all possible, try to avoid dropping pieces of roofing material into the ventilation opening. If available, have another member on the roof remain remote from the saw to monitor radio traffic. Radio traffic from the members operating on the inside can tell you if your ventilation is effective, as well as if the cut needs to be extended. Firefighters on the roof may be able to assist in the event of a mayday, or may need to evacuate the roof. A remote member with a radio is in the best position to monitor communications and provide updates from the roof to the incident commander.